Hello traders, you are welcome to this video where we are going to be exploring the linear regression slope indicator in MT4. If you are looking for a way to understand the strength and momentum of the trend, this indicator could be exactly what you need. The linear regression slope indicator is based on calculating the linear regression of price movements, which then allows it to plot the slope of the trend. Essentially, this indicator measures the momentum of the market and shows how strong or weak a trend is. As you can see, it uses red and green histogram bars to indicate the direction and momentum of the market. When you look at the histogram bars, they give you valuable insights into the current market conditions. When the bars elongate, whether it's green or red, it shows increasing momentum. You can see in this particular scenario, we had the green bars elongating, showing that the bullish momentum was increasing. All right. On the other hand, if the bars start to shorten, it's a sign that the momentum is slowing down. You can see here when we had short red bars, it shows that the bearish momentum was weak. We had a weak bearish momentum. All right. And when you notice such a thing, it could mean that a possible reversal could happen. All right. There could be a reversal. Now let us break down how to use this indicator to make better trading decisions. For your buy signal, when the indicator crosses above the zero line and the green bars start to appear, this is a buy signal. The green bars elongating indicates that the bullish momentum is increasing and it is time to enter a long position. The longer the bars, the stronger the momentum, giving you more confidence to ride the uptrend. For your exit signal, once the indicator changes from green to red, it's time to exit your long position. This indicates that the momentum is starting to weaken and the uptrend might be losing steam. All right. So you can see this was another example. Had a buy trend, right? Could have considered entering our buy after we confirmed the bullish momentum and the price pulled back to the trend line support. Stop loss can be below the previous swing low. Then for your take profit, you can use predetermined levels of resistance, key resistance zones, or you can just wait for when the histogram bars turn to red. You exit your buy trade immediately. Then for a sell signal, when the histogram bars change from green to red and the indicator crosses below the zero line, it is a clear sell signal. So this tells you that the bears are taking control of the market and bearish momentum is increasing. It's time to enter a short position, in that scenario. All right. So if you are in a short position, let's say after you had confirmed this bearish move, you entered a short position around here, right? When you want to set your stop loss should be above the previous swing high. Then for your take profit, you can use predetermined levels of support, or you just wait for when the histogram bars turn to green. When it turns to green, then you can exit your sell trade. So it depends on what exit strategy you want to use, whether you want to use predetermined levels of support and resistance, or if you want to use the opposing signals, like exiting a buy trade when the red histogram bars appear, or exiting a sell trade when the green histogram bars appear. So your exit strategy is up to you. All right. Because when when you are in a sell trade, for example, and the color changes back from red to green, it signals that the bearish momentum is dwindling and the bulls might be coming back into control. Now, one of the biggest advantages of the linear regression slope indicator is that it gives you clear signals when momentum is increasing or decreasing. The elongating bars indicate that momentum is on your side, whether you are in a long position or a short position. When the bars begin to shrink, right, you can see like what happened here. When the bars begin to shrink or get closer to the zero line, it is a sign that the momentum is fading and you should be cautious. The best time to use this indicator is during trending markets, as it helps you stay in the trend while it is strong. It also works well on longer time frames like the 1 hour chart or the 4 hour chart. All right. Meanwhile, you can actually use this indicator on any time frame. Okay. It works on all time frames. It's just that the higher time frames, of course, has lesser noise, right? Because the lower time frames is noisy, right? Lower time frames are noisy. So you get less noise on the higher time frames. Now, while the linear regression slope indicator is a fantastic tool for identifying momentum and trend strength, it is always recommended to use it in combination with other indicators or price action for more accurate entries and exits. And also, you should pay attention to good risk management. Do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose, and ensure that you do not risk more than 1 to 2% of your account balance in a single trade. Moreover, you should employ good risk to reward ratios. For example, if you are entering a buy trade, maybe after you get this confirmation, enter a buy trade. You calculate your risk and your potential reward. Your stop loss ideally should be below previous swing low. Then your take profit can be around resistance zones, at least for for your anticipated target. Although you can just use the opposing signal to exit, but at least you should anticipate a potential target first. So if your target is at least ×2 of your risk, then you can go ahead to enter the trade. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.